Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure renter's insurance with Nationwide, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Nationwide website. Locate the renter's insurance section on the homepage. Click on the option for getting a quote. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Input your zip code and click on the Get a Quote button. Next, fill out the required personal information fields. Provide your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Select the address where the rental property is located. Specify how long you have lived at this address. Indicate whether you own any pets by selecting yes or no. If you own pets, list their types and breeds as required. Choose your rental type from the provided options. Indicate the approximate value of your personal belongings. Include high-value items if applicable, like electronics or jewelry. Afterward, review any additional coverage options offered. Select options like liability coverage or additional personal property coverage. Once you've made your selections, proceed to the next step. You may be asked a few qualifying questions regarding your property. Answer questions about your rental property's security features. Indicate if you have smoke detectors or a security system installed. Review your information to ensure accuracy. After confirming the details, click on Continue or Next. Evaluate the premium options presented to you. Look at the different levels of coverage and their associated costs. Select the plan that best fits your needs and budget. You may also have the option to adjust your deductible. Review your total estimated cost. If you're satisfied, proceed to finalize your quote. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. After logging in, review the summary of your policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.